This is considered a staple at our house. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a big bowl of Amish macaroni salad. This Amish macaroni salad is so easy and a great side dish for any meal. Perfect for those summertime barbecues and get-togethers. For the dressing, I have about 2 cups of mayonnaise, mustard, salt, black pepper, sugar, vinegar, and I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you can use white vinegar, celery seed, and a little olive oil, giving that a good stir to combine. Amish macaroni salad can be quite sweet. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar because we don't like it too sweet, but you can adjust the taste to your liking. I have 1 pound of cooked macaroni. I cooked according to the package instructions, rinsed with cold water to stop the cooking, and drained. Another good pasta to use is corkscrew pasta. I'm adding in some finely diced onion, celery, and dill pickles, and you can use some sweet relish. This is 4 large, roughly chopped, hard-boiled eggs. This is really going to make this salad nice and extra creamy. Giving everything a good toss, adding in the dressing, and another good toss to get everything well mixed. Then I'm covering and refrigerating for a good couple hours before serving. The eggs and macaroni will soak up all that dressing and flavors. Depending on how creamy you like the macaroni salad, you can add more mayonnaise to adjust. I grew up on this Amish macaroni salad, and I have made it my entire adult life. It has so many good memories, and it is a definite staple at our house. This classic Amish macaroni salad is perfect for sandwiches, burgers, and hot dogs. If you want to make it a meal, you can add in some tuna or chicken right into the macaroni salad. I hope you give this Amish macaroni salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!